Assalamu alaikum. So, in my previous video, we were studying the lesson 1 Ad-Dars al-Awwal from the Madinah Arabic Book 1, and in this video, we are going to start the Ad-Dars al-Thani, lesson 2, which is a very small lesson from Madinah Arabic Book 1. So, we are still in Madinah Arabic Book 1. So, just to inform you that the updated Madinah Arabic book version is basically consists of book 1 to book 8. We are still in book 1 and we will study lesson number 2. So let's get started. Bismillah. So the lesson is about Dhalika. So previously we studied Haza. Now we are going to study about Dhalika. So what is this Dhalika? Dhalika is used as a small ishara. It's a you can say demonstrative noun, ishara, for pointing out things. So dolika is used for far things and hada is used for near things. Okay. So also one more thing to understand is hada is used for muzakkar and dhalika is also used for muzakkar. Hadha is used for muzakkar lil qareeb for objects which is near, and dhalika is used for objects lil ba'id which is far. Okay. So let's just go over this lesson once again, inshallah ta'ala. So the first thing is you see is ma dhalika. Ma dhalika means what is that? As you can see in the picture, there's a person or a small girl probably pointing out to a star. Obviously, a star is very far, so she's saying ma dhalika, what is that? And also one more thing to remember, we use ma, this kind of questions for non-human things. For example, here we are using the star. So the answer is dhalika najmun, that is a star. Najmun means star. Next is Hada Masjidun. Hada Masjid. This is a mosque. Wa Dalika Baytun. Wa is used as a conjunction. Wa means and. Dalika Baytun. That is a house. Hada Hisanun. Wa Dalika Himarun. Hada. This is a horse. Wa and Dalika Himarun. And that is a donkey. Next is أذلك كلب. Is that a dog? La. No. ذلك كتن. No, that is a cat. As you can see the picture, there's a cat next to the tree, and one of the boys is pointing to the cat and is asking, أذلك كلب. Is that a dog? So the other boy is responding, La. No. ذلك كتن. That is a cat. Next is Ma Dhalika. What is that? Dhalika Sarirun. That is a bed. Sarirun is means basically bed. Alright, another important thing, man. We use man for human things. So for example, man hada. Who is this? Woman dhalika, and who is that? Hada mudarrisun. This is the teacher. Wa dhalika imamun, and that is an imam or a leader. So always remember we use man for human things. Next is ma dhalika. What is that? Dhalika hajrun. So you see we use ma. We're not using man here. Man dhalika. Who is that? Obviously it doesn't make sense for non-human things. For example, this stone here. So this stone is a non-human thing, it's a non-living thing. So we use ma. Ma means what? What is that, Dhalika? Man means who. We use for human things. We cannot use ma Dhalika for human things. Alright? So remember this point. We use ma for non-human things. We can say non-living things, and we use man for living things. Okay? So ذلك حجر. حجر means stone. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. هذا, this is a sukkar. Sukkar means sugar. Wa means and, Vodka that, Lebanon means milk. As you can see, it's written right here on this cup, milk. Alright, so that was a very small exercises to lesson. So we are going to go into the exercises summary. So the first exercise says is Iqra wa aktub, read and write. So you can write if you want, but for now we will just go ahead and read it. So hada sukkarun wa dhalika labun. This is a sugar and that is a milk. Man dhalika, who is that? Dhalika imamun. Remember I told you we use man for living things and we use ma for non-living things. So man means who. Who is that? Man dhalika. Dhalika imamun. That is a imam, leader, or someone who leads prayer in a mosque. Abolika keystone is that a cat or alif and hamza. This is called hamza. Ham also used for question. Abolika keystone is that a cat. Wa dalika qalbu. No, that is a dog. Ma hada. What is this? Hada hajar. This is a stone. Okay, so now we are going to look into the new word, al-kalimatu jadidatu. Al-kalimatu jadidatu. Jadidatu means new, kalimatu means word. So we have some new words here like imamun, hajarun, sukkarun, labanun. So imamun we spoke about. It means basically a leader, or but in general terms, it means someone who leads prayer in a mosque. Hajarun is a stone, sukkarun is a sugar, labanun is a milk. So we have the same thing here with the pictures here. Sukkarun, sugar, labanun, milk, imamun, imam, hajarun, stone. Okay, so here we will just go ahead quickly. Some of the points to remember. So in this lesson, we learn the use of dhalika, which means that, and wa, which means and. For example, hada baytun wa dhalika masjidun. Hada baytun, this is a house, and dhalika masjid, and that is a mosque. So some important points to note here. For example, number one, Volika is pronounced Volika, but it's written without an alif. That is correct. As you can see, we say Volika, but it's written like Dolika, Dolika. So, but we pronounce it as Volika with an alif next to Vol. Okay. The second point is the word war is written close to the following words. Okay. So that was 2 points to remember, and now we will just again recap the vocabulary. So sukar and sugar, laban and milk, imam and imam, hajar stone. And that's it. That is the end of lesson 2. In the next lesson, we would go with the start the lesson 3 and there's the Faris. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys in another video. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.